5 people shot in Mandeville, 2 females succumbed to their injuries and 3 others hospitalized. Hi again and welcome, this is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 2 females are dead and 3 others, including a child, wounded after a licensed firearm holder opened gunfire during a dispute in Nashville, Mandeville, Manchester on Sunday morning. Preliminary reports are that at about 2 a.m., police were alerted to an altercation in Nashville, an area a few meters from the town center. The dispute reportedly stemmed from an incident where a car hit another vehicle. It is reported that it escalated and 5 people were shot. The gunshot victims were taken to the Mandeville Regional Hospital where 2 females succumbed to their injuries and 2 others admitted for treatment. A 12-year-old boy who was reportedly also injured during the shooting was treated and released from hospital. The police say that they have received conflicting reports on the incident and that the licensed firearm holder has since been taken into custody. Links 007 TV will continue to track this story and have more details to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.